Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Rose and I am the owner of the Spiritual Goodies subscription box. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of our February contents. So let's dive in. Okay, so our box is going to come like this. As soon as you open it, you're going to see our affirmation card right on top. And our affirmation this month is, I love myself and I am worthy of being loved. I think this is such a powerful affirmation, not only for the month of February, which most of us associate with love, but to use throughout the year. Because if you don't love yourself or think that you're worthy, you're never gonna live a really happy and fulfilled life. Let's move on to our insert. Our insert is such an important part of our monthly experience because it's going to contain product info and usage. It's going to have a meditation or a ritual. It's going to have practical tips. And then we also showcase a new spiritual teacher each month. And then the first item you should see is going to be the morning eye mask, which helps to brighten and protect your eye area. I actually used this the other night and really enjoyed it. Then we're gonna go and move on to the birthday cake body butter, which literally looks like you could eat it. It looks so good. Now this is thick, you know, it's a body butter, but once you put it in your hand and rub them together, it glides on really nice. And it doesn't have too strong of a scent, so if you're really sensitive to like really strong smells, then this would be perfect for you. All right, next let's move on to this rose quartz heart necklace. And then I'm actually wearing the amethyst one. So you're gonna receive either the amethyst or the rose quartz necklace. It'll be intuitively picked for you. So whichever necklace you receive is the one that you need at this time. So trust that. The next item, which is a rose quartz mushroom gua sha, and we of course have instructions in our insert on exactly how to use this. Personally, I love it for the under eye area. I just put my eye cream on every day and then I use the gua sha. And then next up is a Rhodonite Palmstone. This is a really good stone for love, compassion. It's a great to use for meditation. Of course, we have lots of info about it and healing and all the healing properties in our insert. So check that out. And then we have this really cute rose quartz self-love candle. It comes in this really nice packaging. It's got a little self-love message on the top of the box. It has the same message on the tin. And then there's rose quartz gemstone chips on top. And then the last item we included is this mini goddess wall hanging. And then let me show you what it looks like out of the packaging. So this is like carpet style almost. And it has these little charms at the end. And really, this is just a reminder that you're a goddess and you are worthy of love, right? You're worthy of living the life that you want. Okay. So yeah, so those are the 7 items we included this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in our February box, it is still available on our website until the end of the month. So that's spiritual-goodies.com. And again, my name is Rose. And if you need to reach out to me for any reason, you can email me personally at support@spiritual-goodies.com. Until next time, take care.